Deep listening in disruptive times. Deep listening, or Dadiri, is a First Nation Australian idea shared with Penn undergraduates in a Penn Global Seminar to Australia in 2022 and 2024. Dadiri means inner deep listening and quiet, still awareness, as explained to us by Miriam Rose Ngume Bowman, voted Senior Australian of the Year in 2021, and the woman who coined the term for her community. Miriam Rose explains, when I experience Dadiri, I'm made whole again. I can sit on the riverbank or walk through the trees, even if someone close to me has passed away. I can find my peace in the silent awareness. There is no need of words. A big part of Dadiri is listening. Today, we extend Miriam Rose's Dadiri, or deep listening from Australian First Nations wisdom, into a strategy for making the transition from home to campus, for managing the turbulence and demands that inevitably arise for first-year students at a place like Penn. Deep listening asks that you take time to reflect, to root, to connect by listening. When it is easy to feel the enormity of being in a space where every friendship is new and unknown, where everything is thrilling but unfamiliar, novel but demanding, exciting but at times overwhelming. Deep listening is a strategy for creating a sense of belonging when all you want to do is put the headphones on, to disengage and listen to your own familiar music, to immerse yourself in the sounds that remind you of home, of high school life, and of friends from the past. Deep listening is where you collect and curate a body of novel sounds and experiences that helps you evolve a new sense of self in relation to the world around you, to navigate the ways of strangers and strangeness into spaces of friendship, understanding, and your own passage to independence, knowledge, skills, and the opportunities promised by coming to a place like the University of Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening.